Case study, Revamping Cybersecurity Strategy at TechNova, leveraging NIST, ISO/IEC 27001, and PCI DSS frameworks for enhanced resilience. Cybersecurity frameworks and standards are the bedrock of protecting information systems from the ever-evolving threats they face. At TechNova, a mid-sized technology company specializing in cloud-based solutions, the security team faced a turning point when they detected a significant breach. The incident exposed the need for robust cybersecurity measures and emphasized the role of structured guidelines and best practices in managing and mitigating risks. TechNova's Chief Information Security Officer, Emma, spearheaded the initiative to overhaul their cybersecurity strategy. She understood that without a comprehensive framework, the company would remain vulnerable to cyber threats. Emma decided to implement the National Institute of Standards and Technology Cybersecurity Framework, which provides a structured approach to improving an organization's cyber resilience. This decision marked the beginning of a transformative journey for TechNova. Emma called upon her cybersecurity team, including lead analyst Alex and systems engineer Maria, to discuss the NIST Cybersecurity Framework's 5 core functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Could this framework provide TechNova the necessary structure to proactively manage cybersecurity risks? The team agreed to start with a thorough assessment of their current security posture. They identified critical assets, assessed vulnerabilities, and mapped out potential threats. Questions arose during the initial phase. Were they adequately identifying and categorizing their assets? Emma emphasized the importance of asset management, a crucial category under the identify function. They realized that without a clear understanding of their assets, protecting and securing these assets would be challenging. The team focused on creating a detailed inventory of all hardware and software assets, a foundational step in establishing a robust security posture. As they moved to the protect function, the challenge of implementing appropriate security controls became evident. Could TechNova ensure that each control was effectively addressing their specific threats? Maria highlighted the need for multi-factor authentication and encryption to protect sensitive data. The team worked on deploying these controls, ensuring they aligned with the NIST guidelines. Detecting potential threats in real time was another critical consideration. How could TechNova enhance its threat detection capabilities? Alex proposed leveraging artificial intelligence to improve their security information and event management system. AI-powered SIEM could analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying potential security incidents more effectively. Implementing this technology required an investment, but the team believed it was crucial for staying ahead of cyber threats. The respond and recover functions tested TechNova's incident response capabilities. How prepared were they to handle a security breach? Emma led the team in developing and testing an incident response plan. They conducted tabletop exercises to simulate various attack scenarios, ensuring that everyone knew their roles and responsibilities. The goal was to minimize the impact of any potential breach and ensure a swift recovery. While TechNova focused on the NIST framework, Emma recognized the importance of staying informed about the evolving threat landscape. She turned to the European Union Agency for Cybersecurity and their Threat Landscape Report for insights into emerging threats. How could they adapt their security measures to address these new threats effectively? The team integrated ENISA's best practices into their security strategy, enhancing their resilience against sophisticated attacks. Another essential framework that TechNova considered was the ISO/IEC 27001 standard. This globally recognized standard for information security management systems provided a systematic approach to securing sensitive company information. Achieving ISO/IEC 27001 certification could enhance TechNova's reputation and build trust with customers and partners. However, the certification process was rigorous. Was TechNova ready to commit the necessary resources? Emma discussed the certification process with her team. They agreed that obtaining ISO/IEC 27001 certification would demonstrate their commitment to maintaining high information security standards. The team focused on continuous improvement, conducting regular risk assessments, and implementing necessary security controls. TechNova's journey also intersected with the payment card industry data security standard, particularly since they handled customer credit card transactions. Compliance with PCI DSS was mandatory, and failure to comply could result in significant fines and reputational damage. How could TechNova ensure compliance with the 12 requirements of PCI DSS? The team implemented strong access control measures, secured the network infrastructure, and regularly monitored and tested their systems. Compliance with PCI DSS not only protected cardholder data, but also reinforced tech commitment to security best practices. While adhering to these frameworks, Emma and her team faced challenges. Interpreting and applying guidelines to their specific context required careful consideration. How could they overcome these challenges and ensure continuous improvement? The team engaged in regular training sessions, staying updated on the latest cybersecurity trends and practices. They fostered a culture of security awareness across the organization, ensuring that everyone played a role in protecting TechNova's assets. Moreover, the team explored the financial benefits of implementing these frameworks and standards. According to a study by the Ponemon Institute, organizations with a well-implemented security framework experienced lower average costs in the event of a data breach. Could TechNova achieve similar cost savings? The team analyzed their security expenditures, finding that investing in robust cybersecurity measures ultimately reduced the potential financial impact of breaches. Leveraging AI further enhanced TechNova's adherence to cybersecurity frameworks and standards. How could AI technologies automate various aspects of cybersecurity? The team implemented machine learning algorithms to detect anomalies and potential threats. AI-powered tools streamlined compliance monitoring and reporting, ensuring that TechNova remained aligned with regulatory requirements. The case study highlighted several thought-provoking questions that required critical analysis and reflection. How could TechNova ensure they were adequately identifying and categorizing their assets? The team realized that a comprehensive asset inventory was foundational to their security strategy. By maintaining an up-to-date inventory, they could better protect their assets and mitigate risks. Could TechNova ensure that each control was effectively addressing their specific threats? The team recognized the importance of aligning security controls with identified threats. By conducting regular risk assessments and updating controls accordingly, they could address evolving threats effectively. How could TechNova enhance its threat detection capabilities? Leveraging AI-powered SIEM systems was a game-changer. These systems provided real-time analysis and alerts, enabling the team to respond quickly to potential security incidents. How prepared was TechNova to handle a security breach? Developing and testing an incident response plan was crucial. By conducting tabletop exercises and simulations, the team ensured they could respond effectively to breaches, minimizing potential damage. How could TechNova adapt their security measures to address new threats effectively? Staying informed about the evolving threat landscape was essential. Integrating insights from ENISA's Threat Landscape Report allowed the team to enhance their resilience against emerging threats. Was TechNova ready to commit the necessary resources for IE 771 certification? The team recognized the long-term benefits of obtaining certification. By committing resources to continuous improvement, they could maintain high information security standards and build trust with stakeholders. How could TechNova ensure compliance with PCI DSS? Implementing strong access control measures, securing the network infrastructure, and regularly monitoring systems were key strategies. Compliance with PCI DSS protected cardholder data and reinforced the company's commitment to best practices. In conclusion, TechNova's journey underscores the importance of cybersecurity frameworks and standards in managing and mitigating risks. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework, ISO IEC 2701, and PCI DSS provided structured guidelines that enhanced TechNova's security posture. Despite challenges, the benefits of adhering to these frameworks, including cost savings and improved incident response capabilities, were evident. By leveraging AI technologies, TechNova further enhanced its cybersecurity program, ensuring a proactive and resilient approach to cyber threats.